Hello, namaste, my humans. Welcome. This is Katy Mendoza, expanding consciousness in a fun and adventurous way. Welcome. In this video, I'm very excited because this is going to be a tutorial video. I've been getting some questions regarding how I do my editing and some stuff, you know, for my social media. So in this video, it's going to be a short video just showing you two different things. Okay, for you to start using. I'm gonna show you the website that I use for this to start adding fonts, to add all different type of fonts on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is that you want, in a text for a friend that it looks different and cool. And I'm also going to be showing you how to do some editing for your highlights, for your highlight stories on Instagram. And what's gonna happen right now is that I'm going to be showing you my phone right here. You're gonna be seeing as I am guiding you and talking to you regarding the steps how to do this. You're gonna be seeing everything. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna show you is how to do the cool different backgrounds and picture for your highlights on Instagram. So you see how mine have different colors in here. I'm gonna go, first thing, you wanna take a picture of a white, a clear background. You took the picture and then you're gonna go into this little thing here, go all the way up to make it big, choose the third one, choose your color, pick your color right there. As you are picking your color, whatever color that you want, you are going to be putting all of it right there. You're gonna put save. As you put save in all of that, you're gonna get out of that because now you saved it into your phone. So let's say you want to add this background. We just took a green plain background and you can choose whatever background you want, any color. You're gonna come, you're gonna edit right here, and we're gonna go into the pictures and we're gonna choose the one that we want to choose. As you choose the background color that you want, very simple now, you're gonna choose it, and I saved some of them here so that way I can just have different colors. You're going to place done, and just easy like that, write this right here, boom. Now you're gonna save, and as you are saving this right there in your thing, then the highlight's gonna show. So now you're gonna see this color right here, and it's just beautiful and whatever you want. So now, as you also can see in this, is that I have like a little moon and it looks cool, right? So I'm gonna show you what I did. Very simple. In anything that you want, all I did is that I went on my phone, and as I'm going on my phone, I just chose a specific picture. And look, if you can see the picture, all it is just a regular picture that I got from the internet that I really liked. But I just want the moon. I just want the moon to be showing, just the moon. As I am gonna just really pick that moon right there. Boom, beautiful, done, boom. And you can do that with any other pictures. Just a star, you want a moon, whatever it is. Just download a good picture and you can minimize it, make it big, etc. I put save in here, and that's it. So that is how you can do just plain pictures, backgrounds for your highlight, so it looks whatever you think that it is. But thanks for the questions. So now, that is the first thing. Now I am gonna be showing you how to be able to choose cool fonts. So I'm gonna be sharing with you the website that I use. So you see in here, you can see how I have like thick, full, rebel, dry, and in here it looks different, right? So there's different cool fonts that you can use. So what I'm gonna show you right now is that I'm gonna go to my website right here. I'm going to the website. I save all these different type of website hacks here that I'm gonna be sharing with you later on. For this right now, we're gonna be using the one that's called coolsymbol.com. So I'm gonna be leaving you guys the link down below as well, so you guys can also just click on it and go right there. Very simple. You're gonna click on it. You're gonna be here. You have all these different cool symbols that you can copy, literally copy and paste anywhere you want. You can choose whatever you want, but right now I'm gonna show you first how to do the font, the cool fonts. You're gonna go right in the top corner. You're gonna go in where it says cool fancy text. You're going to come down and you're going to literally just type whatever it is that you want it to be showing that you want to change the font on. So right now I'm gonna put hair products because I'm gonna get ready to work on a video for that. So as I chose what I want, now you go all the way down and you choose whatever, all these options that you have, how you want your font to look. So I'm gonna choose one that I want to use for there right now, and I'm gonna copy this, copy, or you can just click on there, but I just put copy. You're gonna copy it. What I'm gonna do right now, just to show you, is that I'm gonna just save it in my notes. I love to use notes to kind of save different fonts or different things. I'm gonna put paste. Now it is right there saved, and just the way that I paste it right here, I can also paste it anywhere. So let's say I want to add it on my Instagram. I'm gonna open, beautiful. I'm going to choose where I want to add it. I'm going to put edit. Let's say I want to put it right now or before, but you get the point. So I'm gonna put paste, and now the cool font is right there in whatever you want to add, and that's it. You're gonna put save, and then you're gonna have your cool font right there. And that is just two quick little ideas that I am giving you for now that you can use in your own stories, in your own Facebook, Instagram, whatever it is. And also, if you look in here, I can go into the symbols, right? So let's say I want a moon. I really like to use the moons. I just copy it. Again, I'm gonna put in my notes because I don't have any posts to do right now, but I'm gonna just put it there. I want another one so I can be balanced and I can have the left and the right. Boom, I save it, paste. Now I have it there. So whenever I want to use it, I just copy it and paste it into my post or anything else. And that's it. That's what we got here. So now you can just go ahead and add it whatever you want in your post or in your main background, in your main profile. You see how I have different my name and everything. You can just add and play with it. This is where you get to choose your own ideas and whatever art to create, how you want your page to look. So those are just two little tricks that I have shared with you in this video. Come back for more. I'm gonna be having a lot more different tricks. If you have a specific question that you have seen that I use, please tell me, because I would like to make a video about it. Once you learn all these websites and things that you can use for these hacks, you kind of just lay your ideas and your creation flow. I hope you guys have found this helpful and you can use it. If you have any questions, please just let me know. Do not forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and I will see you in the next tutorial video. Bye.